the major domains in applied linguistics. It is concerned with the problems that language rise as a meaning of social relations, included bilingualism, multilingualism, to pay attention to the way language is used in a specific context. For example, such as teaching, translation, resolutions, and other problems like this.
One of the problems of applied linguistics is that it has limited on other research in other areas, such discourse analysis and social linguistics, because it only focuses in the language teaching.
In conclusion, what can we say about applied linguistics is bridging the gap between linguistic theory and practical language used in educational setting that it helps to improve the human communication, the language teaching, and it has a better understanding of the language in different
Let's
contexts.
continue with quantitative methods. The focus and objective of quantitative methods is to search for cause-effect relationship between variables using numerical data. It also uses mathematical and statistical analysis tools to describe and explain phenomena. Now, we have several sampling designs or methods like cluster sampling, random sampling, non-probability sampling or convenience sampling, and stratified sampling. So it is a crucial step to ensure the validity and reliability for all research. Now, methods and instruments. So in the methods and instruments for collecting data, we have several, such as surveys, questionnaires, polls, test an instructor, and also close interview. They will be useful because they provide a specific, authentic, and precise information. Now we have types of research questions. We have descriptive, comparative, relationship based, and causality research questions. We need to understand that it is necessary to have a good question because it gives us the guidelines to solidly justify the research. Furthermore, it is the core of research. In the data analysis part, we can find some, such as mean, median, mode, percentage, frequency, and range. Now, the last part is trend and dropback. We can find data can be very consistent, inaccurate, and reliable. The second one, the data may not be strong enough to explain complex issues. Thank you.
Qualitative research methods. It is a process of naturalistic inquiry that seeks an in-depth understanding of social phenomena within their natural settings. It focuses on that why rather than the what of social phenomenon and relies on the direct experience of human beings as meaning-making agents and their everyday lives. Its methods are interview, focus groups, observation, and document analysis. And its instruments are interview guides, observation, a checklist, and field notes. On the other hand, the sampling methods are prospective or selected sampling based on relevance and ability to provide detailed data. And it aims to choose the participants who can shed light on the research questions. Qualitative research methods has both strengths and drawbacks. In that case, on the strengths, it can generate rich and detailed data, and also it can generate new insights and theories, and also it can understand the phenomenon from the participants' perspectives. Types of research questions. Qualitative research has open-ended and explanatory in nature and designed to understand a phenomenon in depth and from the participants' perspectives. Finally, in data analysis, the researcher can identify the patterns, themes, and categories in the data. And he can develop the interpretation and the explanation based on these patterns using the methods such as content analysis, content theory, and thematic analysis.
Mixed methods. The goal or objective of mixed methods research combines both qualitative and quantitative research methods within a single study, allow research to gain more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon or problem. It has many methods of collect data that can be applied like convergent event, explanatory or and exploratory. Thus, for the instruments to collect data, it has questionnaires with closed-ended and open-ended questions. Also, it has interviews and classroom observations. And easily for sampling methods, it uses the most relevant method that is random
The
sampling.
mixed methods. The type of research questions is the combine the qualitative and quantitative questions. And the data analysis, for example, is incorporate and separate based to the design. And the other hand is the strength or drawback. For example, the a strength is to produce more valid data through multiplicity of observation. And a drawback can be the difficult to plan and implement one method using the results of another.
Thank you for your attention.